It's April 15th, and that means it's tax day. And whether you got your taxes done weeks ago, or you're going to be scrambling to get them done by midnight, we have a little something for you that's so good, it'll make you feel like $1,000,000,000. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All we do is place a package of shortbread cookies in a food processor and pulse it until they're finely crushed. To that, we add some melted butter. And after that's mixed, we pour it into a baking dish and pat it down to make a crust. While this firms up in the fridge, we combine a package of caramels with some heavy cream and heat this until it's smooth. Once it is, we pour it over the crust and sort of smear it so it levels off before popping it back in the fridge to set up. On top of this, we'll go a layer of chocolate chips that we melted with a little vegetable shortening. After that chills for a bit, cut it and get ready for a homemade candy bar that's worth its weight in gold. So whether your taxes are done or not, my suggestion is you go online and get the recipe for what we call Billionaire Bars, so you can indulge in something that will make you feel like $1,000,000,000. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a richer way and a less taxing way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
It's very good.